Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the spin transition, the second edition. The first one wasn't bad, just that I didn't do a full swing and I didn't really like that, so I'm doing the second one. And if you want to download CuteCut Pro for free, then click the link down below which will lead you to my video. So first off, open your CuteCut Pro app and you're going to create a new film, but since I'm using the same film as in the previous video, so I'll show you that it does the same thing basically. You will know that I'm not cheating or anything because people nowadays. So you could use two separate clips or use one clip and split it in half or anything like that. So double click on your first clip. You will need two clips for this. It will not work unless you do two clips. So double tap on your first clip and then click the one, which is the fifth option, and click the plus button, which is the second option, and it will lead you to transitions, and you will click the first one, which is create your own transition. Drag the little blue transparent bar to the end of that clip with the arrow facing down, the arrow facing up there too, yeah. And you're going to basically, how do I say this? You're going to angle it on the side. What I did was I zoom in first so I could make it smaller so it'd be easier to work with. But you're going to angle it on one side, and while you angle it, you're trying to twist it in like a circular motion so that it's like a circle basically, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So you're going to put it in the middle, but not directly in the middle, just like a little bit off the center. Now you're going to zoom back out, not too much, just so that the black side is not showing, I guess you want to say. And once you've done that, you will click the arrow facing left, and click the check button. And now you're going to do the same thing for the second clip, just that you will leave the transition on in the beginning. So just click the plus button, and create your own transition, and you will go to the beginning, like the exact beginning. And you're going to do the same thing, but you're just going to turn it on the opposite side of what I did. I twisted it left, I think. Now I'm twisting it right. And I'm doing this so that it will go in the middle, but a little bit off the middle. You click the one button, and then you go all the way to the end, and you will see like a squiggly line. Click that, and when you see circular, click the in one that's like the bottom of a circle, I guess I want to say. And you will do this for the first clip. And now for the second clip, you will click the wand, and you will click the transition, whatever. Now you're gonna scroll all the way across, and you will see a squiggly line, and you click that, and when you see circular, you take the one that says out, that's like the top of a circle, I want to say, yeah. And then you do that, and then you're finished.
Because you are so liberal. And I'm just a narrow-minded homo fallopian. Of course. But if I got up in the middle of the night and I ran into someone,